Hey everyone, today I have a collective haul of some things I picked up in the last weeks. I don't know, I think it's been kind of a long time since I filmed a haul. And I also have a few other things that are new, but I'm going to save them for the pretty art supplies video. So that one is also coming to you soon. And let's start with some pencils that I picked up. I have actually some more pencils, but they are on the pretty pretty supplies. So I picked up this Caran D'ache bicolor pencil. I have another version somewhere of it that I picked up in Japan, but it's yeah, it's just getting a little bit small, and I can already see that the colors are not the same. So this one is color pencil from Mitsubishi, and then this one is the Caran D'ache. Well, actually it's not so far. Yeah, it's kind of the same. This only, I don't know, even though it looks different on paper, it's almost identical. So just picked up a refill backup pencil, and then I added a few of these museum aquarell pencils. This is not new, and I don't know why, but they don't have the names on every pencil, which is kind of annoying. So I got the 50% sepia because I love the 10%, and I don't know, this to me is really, it's kind of like a taupey kind of color. Well, I don't know, maybe it's sepia. I'm not that into these, like the earth tones for the most part, but this particular tone I really like. And then this one is the Crimson Aubergine, which this I blame Aliona because she swatched it, and it is such a beautiful color. This one, I have no idea which one it is. The number is 866, and to me it kind of almost has that Potter's Pink look. So I really like that color. And then the last one is 50% Dark Flesh. So it's a little bit more brown. So this, I would say, has a more pinkish tone, and then this one is browner, and then this one is more grayish. But yeah, so a few more earthy tones to my colorful collection. And then I saw this one. So this is from Derwent. I love their pencils. And this one is Derwent Metalic. I'm not huge on metallic pencils, but this one, the color, I thought was really, really pretty. It's pink gold is the color, and to me it's like kind of, yeah, like a pink champagne kind of gold, and it's metallic, and go over like florals with them. And I just really, really liked the color of this. I don't think they have more. I don't think I'll buy more, but this particular color was interesting. And I also got some gel pens that I really, really loved the colors. So these are also really great for adding details. And maybe I shouldn't start now, because I think I'll just do a separate swatching video, just because otherwise this one will be so long. So if there's anything you particularly want to see, then let me know, and I'll probably just swatch everything. So yeah, I got this set. These are 0.6, and I actually kind of wish they were 0.8, but yeah, I really, really like the colors. I have another pack of these from a long time ago, and they're more, I have like brighter colors, and these I thought were really unique. So I picked that up. I got, oh, this one is fun. So these are the Graf, Viarco Tailor shape, and I have a black, white, and yucky brown color that I hardly use, but I do love the black and white one. These are kind of messy, and I think they're fun to use also when you just hold them in your hand and sketch with them through water or wet paint. I think that's really, really fun. If you like to get messy, if that doesn't bother you, I think you will enjoy this. These are water soluble, if I didn't say. Oh, it also says it here. And I saw that they had other colors, and I was kind of like, I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it, but then I saw this set, which has the primaries, and I didn't know they had a magenta one. I thought they only had a red one. So when I saw there was a magenta one, I was really curious. And you can use these like regular, you know, dried watercolor. Just go with a brush. You can see I did that here, and you get really good payoff. But I think these are also fun to sketch with, and yeah, and they're just like a great, I think they're a really fun product. That's what I think. But, you know, the concept is nothing really unique. I do think that, you know, if you compare them to something like a hard pastel, they are more intense and, you know, less kind of waxy. But obviously they also they are a bulky product, you know, so I wouldn't say, okay, you could just grab these and travel with them. It'll be much easier to just go with regular watercolors. But yeah, if you enjoy like drawing, sketching with chalks, pastels, that kind of thing, then I think these are really, really fun. The quality of their product is good from what I've tried till now. So I got that, and then always the most exciting thing, some new watercolors. So I have the Burnt Bronzite Genuine. I got the Perline Maroon. This color is intense. You'll see that in the swatch video. I got the Transparent Red Oxide Red, which is very similar to Burnt Sienna. Surprisingly or not surprisingly, I don't have a lot of the classical earth tones. I have some pans that came in, you know, sets, like curated sets, but I don't really have any in tubes because I never found them interesting. But with autumn coming, I feel like I could try some new colors. I got Olive Green, which is a beautiful shade of, it's kind of a muted, earthy, golden green. It's lovely. And then Amazonite Genuine, which is just a beautiful turquoise, and Fuchsite Genuine, which is a very light, sparkly. The Bronzite also has a lot of sparkle in it. The Fuchsite I have, you know, I would rather it didn't have the shimmer. I don't need the shimmer, and I find that you can get so many shimmery watercolors that you can maybe add on top. So I don't know, but it's just a beautiful color and very light and transparent. So there it is. I also got the Daniel Smith watercolor ground in buff titanium. I have the white one. Actually, I'm almost out of it. I have a new jar waiting for me, and a lot of people wanted to know what this product is. So I'll tell you what the packaging says. Hopefully it's in English. Yeah. Creates a paintable surface for watercolors, absorbent surfaces, canvas, paper, plaster, hardboard, non-absorbent surfaces, glass, plastic, metal. For best results, these will need to be abraded before application of the ground. Thick, brushable, and heavily pigmented. Allow 24 to 48 hours to cure before applying watercolor or acrylics. Can be thinned up to 10% with water. Wash brushes immediately after use. Do not apply heat to speed drying time. So basically this is gesso for watercolors, and I have actually used it. I tried the, what do I have from Core? I have this product also, watercolor ground. I don't like it. It's very, very thin, so it's just annoying. You need multiple layers. I don't like it. I really, really prefer the Daniel Smith product. It's very thick. And here's an example of, you know, I just covered this. I had a canvas that was painted red and I covered it with the ground. You can apply this thickly and just add one layer. It dries fast, but yes, you should wait, as they recommend, 24 to 48 hours, because especially someone like me, I do like to add also pencil lines, and it will get kind of fragile if you don't wait long enough. And also when you wet it, it is a little bit, yeah, it's not paper, but the nice thing about it is you can, what I want to try and do is use it for like wood panels, which I think is such a lovely, it's a lovely modern way of using watercolors. Yeah, what can I tell you? It's nice, it's good. I particularly like it for adding layers, which you've seen me doing in my World Watercolor Month sketchbook. So you can add layers of this and kind of correct mistakes or cover areas, which gives you more options when you're painting in just a more intuitive way, where you don't necessarily plan ahead. You put some color, then you can cover up areas you don't like. But yeah, it doesn't exactly behave like paper, but it does give you some options. So yeah, it holds watercolor really well. You can see the colors are very vibrant, but yeah, I prefer paper. But yeah, okay, you get the drift. I'm talking too much about this. And then the last thing I got were two more of these beautiful journals from Fabriano, and this is the one I'm currently using. So this is the medium size. Currently, when I'm filming this, it is sold out at Cult Pens, but the other sizes are available. So if you want the bigger size, that's available. I think the white one is sold out, but all the other colors, there's a beautiful blue, beautiful red, and an orange, which I'm sure some people will think is beautiful. But yeah, so I think the blue is lovely. And I think maybe I'll take this one to Italy, if I'm allowed to go to Italy. I don't know. Things change all the time. For now, the borders in Europe are open for people to travel. It's the summer vacation, so a lot of people are traveling. But you know, who knows? Okay, talking too much. That's it with the haul. I'll also do a swatching video for you, and we can swatch all of the other stuff. Oh, one last thing. It already fell out of my box. When I ordered the sketchbooks from Cult Pens, I also ordered this like variety pack called Elegance. This color scheme is called Elegance from this brand, Diamine, no idea. And they make beautiful, beautiful inks. And they also have these variety packs with just like regular cartridges. So I thought that would be fun. And these are the colors that come. I thought they were all kind of just a little bit muted, a little bit interesting. So there's claret, teal, midnight, oxblood, blood, and saddle brown, and they are marked so you don't get them. Hopefully you don't get, you know which cartridge has which color. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.